is I basically show you how I cook. I show you how to organize your home, how to do your home decor, interior design, home gardening, and a whole lot more. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're watching for the first time, my name is Chidima. You're in the right place, and what I do here on this channel is I basically show you how I cook. I show you how to organize your home, how to do your home decor, interior design, home gardening, and a whole lot more. So if you're watching for the first time, please tune in, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, give me a thumbs up and share this video. Today I want to show you how I cook Nigerian stew party style. So let's get right into it. I have the ingredients. I have some tomatoes, some habanero, I have chili pepper, I have onions, I have ginger, garlic, I have seasoning cubes, curry, salt, thyme, bay leaf, vegetable oil, tomato paste, and chicken. First of all, line your air fryer pan with some baking sheets. So we load it in. So we're going to deseed our habanero pepper. These are the very tiny species I saw in the market. That was all I could get. So this is what we have in the air fryer. Now it's time to roast it. While that is ongoing, it's time to boil our chicken. Add some onion, garlic, ginger, thyme, curry powder, some bay, and some seasoning cubes. And give that a good mix. I'm going to loosen it up more with some water. Make sure it's on low heat. It's time to check our tomato paste, and this is doing pretty well. So we cover it back. And this is what we have. This looks good. So we proceed to blending right now. Add in the remaining onions, ginger and garlic, so this is what we have, a very smooth blend. We're going to grill at 200 degrees for about 15 minutes. max on both sides. So back to the tomato paste. Going in right now. With my fresh tomato blend. Time to add our meat stock. The rest of our seasoning, our bay leaves, thyme, salt, and then our curry. Also give that a very good mix. You can taste at this point to see or to check if everything is okay according to your preference. Then I go on to add my oil. Hey baby, how are you? I'm fine. Are you back? Yeah, can
So beautiful.
Thank you. How was school today? Alright, I will see you. Go to the parlor. Welcome. So we cover and allow to cook. Time to check the chicken. And tada! This is what I love for the stew. Dry. Our stew is stewing. So for this method, I usually don't fry, like frying in outright oil, onions, you know. I like to add my oil after the tomatoes have boiled properly. So I don't think this is called frying, so this is no frying. Let's add the chicken. Oops. Really? Thank you, my baby. Our stew is ready. Ooh. Ooh, it's bubbling out of the pot. I have to just turn it off now to avoid all the mess. Yep. Tastes so good. Ta-da! We've come to the end of the video, and I hope I've been able to show you. We have a special guest, by the way. I hope I've been able to show you that you can make your stew, your Nigerian party stew style, without frying. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please let me know in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Welcome. Let's welcome our special guest. Bring him. It's Baby Rice. He's been looking at me. Say bye. Say thank you for subscribing to our channel. Bye. See you guys in my next